Right, good morning. Accounting subject relevant for the business organization. Think about all three subjects. Accounting as well as business studies, as well as IT also relevant for business organization. Therefore, we are going to discuss about the business. Accounting subject relevant for the business organization. Therefore, in accounting, we are going to provide information to the interest party of the business organization. Interest party, those are called stakeholders, employees, customers, suppliers, managers, financial institutes, and government institutes, as well as investors, suppliers. Those are the interest party of the business. In accounting, we are going to discuss how to provide information about the business organization to the interest party to take decision about the business. That is our duty in accounting. Therefore, you have to know what are the things happening in the business organization from the beginning. That is the important thing you have to know. Therefore, first one, try to get idea about the business organization. Think how to provide information. We have to discuss, there are 16 lessons. There are 16 lessons we have discussed. And grade 12 we have discussed, there are 10 lessons. Balance part we have discussed grade 13. Those are the business we have discussed on the level. I think those are the business we have discussed on the level. Trading business, service business, as well as manufacturing business. That part we have discussed already. But from the beginning, try to get idea. And those are the organization we have discussed on the level. Organization, sole proprietorships, partnerships, company, as well as not for profit making organization. Not for profit making organization mean, example, sport clubs. Then those are the stakeholders, interest party of the business. We are going to provide information to the interest party. As well as when we are going to prepare when we are going to provide information, when business going to provide information, this is the way we are going to provide information. We have to prepare financial statement to provide information about the business organization. Therefore, this is our ultimate objective in accounting. As a financial statement, there are 5 things we have to prepare on the level. Income statement, statement of financial position, statement of changes in equity, statement of cash flow, accounting policies and notes. This is our ultimate objective. Think we are going to provide information. How to provide information? By preparing financial statement. Therefore, we are going to discuss how to prepare those kind of financial statement. And it is included those kind of things. This is very important parts. Those are called elements of financial statement. From the beginning, you have to know, you have to recognize these kind of things. All the business organization, all the type of business, available assets, liability, income, expenses, as well as capital. This part we have discussed already last week also. Think income, expense, as well as capital, those are equal equity of the business. Those are equal equity of the business. Therefore, from the beginning, try to recognize those kind of things available in the business organization. That is the thing you have to do. All the business organization, all the type of business available, there are 5 things. Therefore, from the beginning, you have to know, recognize how to recognize assets, liability, income, expense, as well as capital. That is important parts. From the beginning, try to recognize what are the assets available in the business organization, what are the liabilities, what are the income, what are the expenses, as well as what are the capital. Right, then, thing we have been discussing accounting equation part. Accounting equation mean relationship between elements of financial statement. Accounting equation mean relationship between elements of financial statement. That part we have discussed already. Therefore, from the beginning, try to recognize how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Last week I have discussed how to prepare income statement also. Last week I have discussed how to prepare income statement also. This is a basic accounting equation. This is a basic accounting equation. Think assets equal liability plus equity. Assets equal liability plus equity. Effect for equity, there are 4 things. This part very, very important. Effect for equity, there are 4 things. Income, expenses, as well as additional capital and drawings. Think there are 2 parts. 2 things effect for equity increase. Income as well as additional capital effect for equity increase. But expenses and drawings effect for equity decrease. Therefore, from the beginning, try to recognize what are the transactions happening in the business organization. After that, think how to record by using accounting equation. After that, think how to record by using accounting equation. Last week I have discussed how to prepare income statement also. This is a part we have discussed last week. But today I am going to discuss how to prepare a statement of financial position also. Today I am going to discuss how to prepare a statement of financial position also. Therefore, this is a part we have discussed last week. You have to know how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position also. Last week we have discussed how to prepare income statement also. First one, you have to know how to record information by using accounting equation. As well as based on those information, you have to know how to prepare income statement also. This is part we have discussed last week. Assets equal liability plus equity, and asset also given separately. as well as liability also given separately, and equity it is given as one item. Then this is where you have to prepare income statement. Income statement can be prepared by using two methods. Last week I have discussed only first methods, but today I'm going to discuss both methods. Think we are going to provide information to the interest party. How to provide information? By preparing financial statement like that. Therefore, you have to know how to record information from the beginning in the accounting equation part, as well as based on those information, you have to know how to prepare income statement as well as statement of financial position. This is the first methods. There are two methods can be applied to prepare income statement. Right, today I'm going to discuss both methods, income statement, as well as I will discuss how to prepare financial position also. That very, very important accounting equation part. දැන් මේ පාඩමෙන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ තේරුම් ගන්න try කරන්න ඕනේ. අන්තිමේට මට තේරෙන්න මෙච්චරයි ඕනේ අපිට. You have to know what are the assets available in the business organization, what are the liability, what are the income, what are the expense, as well as what are the thing effect for equity. And you have to know each and every transaction effect for what. All the business organization available purchase and sales. Therefore, try to recognize transaction relevant for purchase and sales, as well as expenses available, income available, loans available, loan installment, loan paid available, additional capital available, drawings available, income available. Therefore, related transaction for that you have to know. How it records by using accounting equation. And effect for what? Think about effect for liability, income, expense, assets, like that. Right now, think about this example. Think this example very important. මම මේ ගාන තේරුණොත් මේ ලෙසන් එකේ 90ක් විතර තේරෙනවා. Right, it is given Kamal Enterprise sold properties. Balances it has given 1st March 2021. It has given balances 1st March 2021. Opening balance it has given. Think basic equation, assets equal liability plus equity. Think assets it has given property, plant and equipment. PPE mean property, plant and equipment, as well as stock, trade receivable equal data, as well as cash balance it has given. Think equity it has given as one item, but think what liability is very important. It has given there are three parts: trade payable, other payable, as well as loans. This is also accounting equation, but given assets and liability separately. Opening balances it has given, and given following transaction and events took place during the month of March 2021. It has given this month information. This month information is given. Think about requirements. There are three requirements. First one, using the accounting equation, show the impact of about transaction 1 to 18 with value and state whether each value increase plus decrease minus using the following format. First requirement, records transaction by using accounting equation. Think assets, liability and equity as given. As well as second requirement, there's income statement of the business for the month end 31st March 2021. Income statement can be prepared by using two methods. As well as there's statement of financial position as at 31st March 21. That from the beginning records each and every transaction by using accounting equation. First one, you have to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Therefore, first one, prepare the format. It has given format. There are 18 transactions and opening balances also given. Therefore, from the beginning, I am going to discuss how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. First one, draw the format. First one, prepare the format. There are 4 items available assets and 3 items available liabilities. As well as equity is given as 1 item. From the beginning records opening balances. Given there are 18 transactions. Right, record from the beginning opening balances it is given. If it is given opening balance should be record from the beginning. There are 3 requirements. First one, records transaction by using accounting equation. Second one, you have to prepare income statement. And third one, statement of financial position. Opening balances it is given from the beginning. Think property, plant and equipment 34,000. Stock 19,000. Trade receivable 21,000. Think about opening balance, those balances should be recorded from the beginning. Right, property, plant and equipment 34,000. And it has given inventory 19,000. Record values in 1,000. Stock equal inventory. Stock equal inventory. From the beginning records opening balances. Trade receivable equal debtor, it is equal 21,000. Cash balance 5,000. Trade payable, it has given 23,000. Other payable 4,000. Loan value equal 18,000. As well as equity just given 34,000. From the beginning, opening balances should be recorded. Then think about transaction 1 to 18. It has given there are 18 transactions. Think first one, Kamal invested 15 million cash as well as 9 million worth of motor vehicle as a capital. Owner invested cash as well as motor vehicle as a capital. Those transactions I have discussed how records. Therefore, record from the beginning by using accounting equation. Record values in 1000. If it has given big values, we have to maintain understandability. Therefore, you have records by using values in 1000. Think Kamal invested cash 15,000. Therefore, cash increased 15,000. As well as motor vehicle, part of property, plant and equipment increase. Both value effect for equity increase. Therefore, equity increased by 24,000. Total value. Think first transaction. Owner invested cash as well as motor vehicle as a capital. Second transaction. It has given purchase goods rupees 18,000 on cash. Think values in 1000. Second transaction. Purchase on cash goods. Think what is effect for cash. As well as purchase goods effect for inventory. Inventory equal stock. Stock, inventory both are equal. It has given cash purchase 18 million. Therefore, effect for stock increase 18,000. As well as cash decrease 18,000. Think third one. It has given rupees 12,000 worth of bank loan was obtained from commercial bank. Loan obtained from commercial bank. It is effect for cash increase 12,000 as well as loan increase 12,000. Loan is a liability. If it is increase plus value, decrease minus value. Think fourth transaction. It has given sold goods with cost value 34 million. Selling price is given 58,000 on cash. This is the cash sales. Think cost value equal 34,000. It is effect for stock decrease. And cash increased by 58,000. Difference value profit. Therefore, difference value equal 24,000. Profit effect for equity increase 24,000. It has given cash sales. Think cash sales effect for cash. Stock decrease, cash increase, as well as difference value profit effect for equity increase. Next one. Think about next transaction. It has given purchase goods item 45,000 on credit. Credit purchase. Therefore, stock increase 45,000. As well as credit purchase effect for creditors, not effect for cash. Therefore, creditors is a trade payable, also increase. Stock increase as well as trade payable increase. Trade payable equal creditors. Next one, think about transaction number 6. It has given return 4,000 worth of goods to the supplier due to defects, which is purchased on credit. Think credit purchase return. අපි purchase කරපුවා හොඳ නැත්නම් ආපහු යවනවා බලන්න. That is a purchase return which is purchased on credit. Think about transaction number 5, it opposite side. Therefore, return it has given 4,000, stock decrease 4,000, as well as trade payable decrease 4,000. Think about credit purchase, it opposite side, purchase return. Think about transaction number 7th one. 7th one, 11 for credit sales. Sold goods with cost value 38,000 for 69,000 on credit. Think cash sales as well as credit sales. Therefore, credit sales effect for debtor. Debtors equal trade receivable. As a result of sales, effect for stock decrease, effect for stock cost value 38,000, and selling price it has given credit sales, it is effect for trade receivable increase. Think credit sales not effect for cash, but difference value effect for equity, that is a profit. Therefore, difference value equal 31,000. Profit effect for equity increase. Profit effect for equity. Think about 8th one, very, very important. It has given sales return. Think about credit sales and return. The return of the goods sold on credit for 5,000. It cost value is given 3,000. Think about credit sales, it opposite side. Transaction number 7, think about it opposite side. Transaction number 8. It has given return of the goods sold on credit for 5,000. It cost value is given 3,000. It cost value is given 3,000. Think about transaction number 8.1. The return of the goods sold on credit for 5,000. It cost value 3,000. Transaction number 7, it opposite side. As a result of sales return, debtor decrease, effect for debtor selling price, debtor equal trade receivable, and stock increase, effect for stock cost value, difference value, profit on sales return. One return karo profit ek adu වෙනවා බලන්න. Therefore, minus equity 2,000. That is a profit on sales return. Transaction 7 and 8 very important. Think about transaction number 8, 9th one. Obtain 4,000 worth of goods and 3,000 cash from the business for personal use. It is called drawings. It has given stock drawings as well as cash drawings. Obtain 4,000 worth of goods and 3,000 cash from the business for personal use by the Kamal. Those are called drawings. Drawings is not expense. Stock drawings, effect for stock decrease 4,000. And cash drawings it has given 5,000. Cash drawings 3,000. Effect for cash decrease 3,000. And drawings also part of equity. As a result of drawings, equity decrease. Therefore, equity decreased by 7,000. Think about cash drawings effect for cash. Stock drawings effect for stock. and drawings as a result of drawings effect for equity decrease. Think 10th one. Cash paid for creditors 57,000 and discount received 3,000. Those transactions we have discussed already. Cash paid amount effect for cash decrease. Paid in cash, therefore cash decrease 57,000. And discount received is income. Discount received is income, therefore equity increase. And both value effect for trade payable decrease. Think as a result of cash received as well as discount received, both value effect for trade payable decrease. Therefore, effect for trade payable total amounts. Discount received is income. Therefore, equity increase. Cash paid 57,000. Both value effect for trade payable decrease. Think about next one. Transaction number 11. Think transaction number 11, how it records. Eleventh one, it has given 9,000 worth of rent expense for the month of March 2021 was not paid. You have to know how to record expense paid, expense not paid. Sometimes it has given expense prepaid also. There are three transaction effect for expense. Expense paid, expense not paid, or expense prepaid. Here it is given rent expense for the month of March 2021 was not paid. We are going to record information relevant for month of March. Therefore, March expense was not paid. Those are called accrual expense. Think rent expense equal 900. Therefore, equity decrease 900. If it has paid in cash, effect for cash decrease, but now it has not paid. Those are called accrual expense. We have to pay. Therefore, those are called accrual expense liability. Not paid in cash. If it has paid in cash, effect for cash decrease, but it is not paid. Therefore, other payable. Accrual expense should be included under other payable. Other payable increase 9,000. Other payable increase 9,000. Prepaid expense and accrual expense are not equal. Accrual expense can expense ගෙවලා නැහැ කියන්නේ. Prepaid expense කියන්නේ expense එක ලබන අවුරුද්දට ගෙවලා. කියන්නේ ලබන අවුරුද්ද expense එකක් මේ අවුරුද්ද ගෙවලා. Accrual expense is a liability. Prepaid expense is assets. There are three transaction effect for expense. First one, expense paid. Second one, expense not paid. Third one, expense prepaid. But this is the way you have record expense not paid. Expense, therefore, equity decrease, but not paid. Therefore, other payable increase. This example very, very important. I will discuss based on this example how to prepare income statement as well as financial position also. From the beginning, try to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Try to recognize each and every transaction effect for what? It means assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. Therefore, think about expense not paid. If it has given expense paid, it is effect for cash decrease. But here, expense not paid. Think about transaction number 12. Given donation stock donation as well as cash donation. Donation also expense. අපි කාට හරි නිකන් දුන්නොත් ඒක business වලට expense එකක්. And donation is given rupees 3 million worth of inventory and rupees 7 million cash for flood affected family. Donation also expense. Stock donation effect for stock decrease. 12th one, stock donation effect for stock decrease. It has given 3 million, record values in 1000. And cash donation effect for cash decrease. Donation is expense. Expense effect for equity decrease, both value. Donation is expense. It may be stock donation, it may be cash donation. For both value effect for equity decrease. From the beginning, try to recognize how it records each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Think third one very important. 13, 3,700 salary was paid in cash. On expense එකක් salary වලින් ගෙවුවොත්. It has given salary paid in cash. Think it is effect for cash as well as expense effect for equity also. Therefore, transaction number 13, salary is expense paid in cash. Therefore, now it is effect for cash decrease 3,700 as well as it is expense. Therefore, equity also decreased by 3,700. Expense paid in cash. Think about expense paid, expense not paid. And 14, cash received from debtor and discount allowed 7,000. Think cash received from debtor. Debtor equal trade receivable. As well as discount allowed also given. First one thing, cash received. Effect for cash increased by 64,000. Discount allowed is expense. Therefore, equity decreased by 7,000. Equity decrease 7,000 and both value effect for debtor decrease. Debtors lagin salary ambela balan. Discount allowed also given 7,000. Cash increase 64,000. Discount allowed is expense. Therefore, effect for equity decrease and both value effect for debtor. Trade receivable decrease by total amounts 71,000. Think cash received from debtor and discount allowed. Transaction of 14. Like that, think what those are the normal transactions happening in the business organization. Any organization. You have to know how it records by using accounting equation as well as how to prepare income statement based on those information and how to prepare financial statement also. Try to recognize each and every transaction effect for what? Assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. Think about transaction of 15. It has given 4,000 loan installment has been paid. It is included interest 1,000. Think about loans available all the business organization. We are going to provide information. You have to know how it records loan obtained and loan paid. Think it has given loan installment paid. And it is included interest also 1,000. First one thing, paid in cash 4,000. Record values in 1,000. Bindu තුනක් අමතක කරලා ගන්න හදන්න. If it has given big values, you have to disclose values in 1,000. It has given loan installment paid in cash 4,000, but it is included interest 1,000. දැන් අපි loan එකක් ගත්තම ආපහු ගෙවනකොට loan එක විතරක් ගෙවලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. interest එකත් අපි ගෙවන්න ඕන. interest එකයි loan එකයි දෙකම ගෙවන්න ඕන. It total will be equal loan installment. Therefore, installment paid in cash 4,000. effect for cash decrease 4,000. But it is included interest 1,000. Therefore, interest is expense. Therefore, effect for equity decrease. This is a loan interest. Think how much paid as a loan. Paid in cash 4,000, but it is included 1,000 loan interest. It means as a loan paid only balance part 3,000. As a loan paid only 3,000. Think about loan obtained, loan paid, as well as loan interest. Subject relevant for the business. All the business organization available loans. You have to know how to record transaction relevant for loan. Loan obtained, loan paid, as well as interest paid. Think transaction number 16. It has given 5,000 worth of debtor balance was written off as a bad debts. Think about credit sales. Then ගොඩාක් business බලන ණයට විකුණනවා. අන්නේ ණයට විකුණපුවම සල්ලි හම්බෙන්න ඕන කට්ටිය තමයි debtors ලා කියන්නේ. ඒ කට්ටියකින් හම්බෙන්නේ නැත්නම් අපිට. It is confirmed debtor value cannot be recovered. එක්ක debtor කෙනෙක් මිය ගිහිල්ලා. නැත්නම් රටින් පැනලා ගිහිල්ලා වෙන රටකට ගිහිල්ලා. ගන්න විදියක් නැත්නම් දෙන්න නැත්නම් debtors ලා විදියට තියාගන්න ඉන්නේ කී තීරුමක් නැහැ. අන්න ඒගොල්ලෝ අපි අයින් කළා දානවා. Written off කරනවා. Those are called bad debts. It is confirmed debtor value cannot be recovered. Therefore, it should be considered as expense. Bad debts. Think 5,000 worth of debtor balance was written off as bad debts. Therefore, it is effect for expenses. Bad debts is expense. Therefore, equity decreased 5,000 and debtor became a bad debts. Therefore, effect for trade receivable also decreased. ණයට විකුණපුවම සල්ලි හම්බෙන්න ඕන කට්ටිය ඉන්නවනේ. අන්න ඒගොල්ලෝ සුවර් එකටම සල්ලි දෙන්නේ නැත්තම්. එක්ක මිය ගිහිල්ලා නැත්තම් වෙන රටකට ගිහිල්ලා ගන්න විදියක් නැත්තම් අපි අයින් කළා දාමු. Expense. Therefore, equity decrease as well as bad debts effect for trade receivable. Receivable කට්ටියකින් තමයි bad debts වෙන්නේ බලන්න. Therefore, should be deduct from trade receivable as well as equity. Next one, think about transaction number 16. So 17. There are 18 transactions that is given. Think about 17. Transaction number 17. Given commission income 2,500 was received in cash. Commission income received in cash. Think about cash increase. Cash increased by 2,500 as well as income effect for equity. Therefore, equity also increased by 2,500. Any income received in cash should be recorded like that. It may be rent income, interest income, dividends income, commission income, like that. All the income received in cash accounts increase as well as equity increase. That is income. Think last transaction. It has given there are 18 transactions. Think about last one. Advertisement expense rupees 6,000 was paid in cash. Any expense paid in cash, think how it records. It may be salary paid, rent expense paid, commission expense paid, advertisement paid, insurance paid, electricity paid, water bill paid, telephone bill paid, any expense paid in cash. This is the way you have records. It has given advertisement expense rupees 6,000 paid in cash. Effect for cash decrease as well as equity decrease. Think advertisement expense paid in cash, it has given 6,000. Any expense paid in cash, this is the way you have records. It is effect for cash decrease. Paid in cash, therefore cash decrease 6,000. As well as expense effect for equity decrease. Think subject relevant for the business organization. from the beginning, try to recognize transaction available in the business organization. Those are the normal transactions: cash purchase, credit purchase, purchase return, sales return, then cash sales, credit sales, cash receipt from debtor, cash paid for creditors, discount allowed, discount receipts, loan obtained, loan paid, expense paid, expense not paid, income received, income not received, additional capital and drawings. Those are the normal transactions available in the business organization. You have to know effect for what? Assets, liability, income, expense, and equity. Very important accounting equation. Try to recognize each and every transaction effect for what? Like this. Now you have to prepare income statement, secondary comments. Based on those information, you have to know how to prepare income statement. And this example, they ask financial position also. Therefore, from the beginning, you have to calculate total value, each column. From the beginning, try to calculate total value of each column. Reason they ask statement of financial position also. Income statement, last week I have discussed first methods, but today I'm going to discuss both methods. First method as well as second methods. First method as well as second methods. Both methods I will discuss today. How to prepare income statement. From the beginning, take total value each column. Take the total value each column. I think about property, plant and equipment total value equal 43,000. Stock total value equal plus value add minus value deduct value equal 2,000. Trade receivable closing balance plus value add minus value deduct value equal 9,000. Think about cash balance plus value add minus value deduct. Take the closing balance. Therefore, closing balance, cash closing balance equal 57,800. As well as trade payable closing balance equal 4,000. Try to calculate closing balances also. Other payable closing balance equal 4,900. As well as loan closing balance equal 27,000. And equity also take total value. Equity total value equal 75,900. If those are recorded correctly, total assets should be equal total liability plus total equity. Now take the total assets. Total assets should be equal total liability plus equity if those are recorded correctly. Therefore, take the total value also. Take the total value also. If those are recorded correctly, total assets equal total liability plus total equity. Assets total amount equal 111,800. And take the total liability and total equity also. If those are recorded correctly, assets total value should be equal total amount of liability and equity. Assets total value should be equal total amount of liability and equity. Therefore, take total amounts. Here equity total value equal, there is a mistake here, 75,900. Here total amount equal 75,900. Therefore, think about both sides equal 111,800. First one, you have to know how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. If it has given opening balance should be recorded from the beginning. And based on those information, you have to know how to prepare income statement also. Income statement can be prepared by using two methods. Right now, I'm going to discuss how to prepare income statement based on those information. Based on those information, our duty, we are going to provide information so that you have to know how to prepare financial statement also. Therefore, this is a requirement once. They ask how to record each and every transaction by using accounting equation. Therefore, this is a requirement once. That part we have discussed already. First one, you have to know how to record by using accounting equation. That part we have discussed already. Think opening balance is also given. If those are recorded correctly, total assets closing balance should be equal total liability plus total equity. Right now, think about how to prepare income statement. Second requirements, two methods can be applied. This is second requirements. Income statement of the business for the month end 31st March 21. From the beginning, I'm going to discuss first methods. That part we have discussed last week also. Both methods I will discuss now. Therefore, this is a format for first methods. That part we have discussed last week also. This is the way you have to prepare format. Income statement. This is the format you have to prepare. By preparing income statement, we are going to calculate profit and loss. Therefore, income and expense should be included. Last week, I have discussed how to prepare income statement method 1. But today, I'm going to discuss both methods. Think about name Kamal Enterprise. Income statement for the month in 31st March 21. Values in 1000. Sales minus cost of sales. Then gross profit can be calculated. Plus other income minus expenses. This is the first method. Second method also I will discuss. I think about sales and cost of sales should be calculated from the beginning. Income is space here, as well as expenses also is space here. Now think how to recognize sales and cost of sales. Think how to recognize sales and cost of sales. Think about transaction number, fourth one, as well as transaction number, seventh one, and 8. 8, it has given sales return. Selling price should be considered as a sales.